Hi everybody, hi guys, and welcome to Hello from Finland. We are in Kotka. Kotka is a medium-sized town here in Finland. It's about 80-90 miles east of Helsinki. So there are a lot of parks here in Kotka. I don't know how much time I will have today because I'm waiting for my wife here. So it depends on my wife. I'll try to show you as much as I can. So let's start a short walking tour of Kotka. I'll be walking and talking while I'm walking. so let's say walkie-talkie stroll. So let's get started. So we're in downtown Kotka, quite near the central part. And this is a small park. I don't know its name, probably maybe later in this video I'll tell you its name if I find if I, if I find the name. I found it. The park's name is Toivo Pekkasen Puisto or Toivo Pekkanen Park. It is an electric vehicle, which is nice, environment friendly. So guys, if we walk this way, we come to one of very beautiful parks, Katarinen Puisto, in English, Katarina Park. But we will not go this way. I don't have time for to show you two parks. I decided just choose one of them. So we will not go this way. We will go that way to Sapokka Puisto. As you might guess, Puisto means park in Finnish. So we're going to Sapokka Park. Look at this head. This is a hamburger, which is called Hesburger. Don't like those noisy guys with small motorcycles. So, Hesburger. Hes comes from Helsinki. Hesburger is Helsinki burger. It's a Finnish chain of burger diners. Hesburger. You can eat here at this diner. Its name is Katarina Autogrilli, which translates to English somewhat like Katarina Park's car grill. But don't worry, they they don't grill cars. they grill food. Do you see how clean are the streets of Kotka? Dear Finland, I love you for that. So we came close to Sapokka Park. It is sort of the central part of the park. It's a pond, as you can see, or a mini lake, what you prefer, whatever you prefer. We have here some figures, some piece of art. You see, and we go to the central entrance to Sapokka Park. This park is full of small figures of animals like birds and small animals. I like I like this walkie-talkie format of the video. You know why? Because you don't have to do any voiceover if you just walk and talk. That's why I like it. So a new bridge. Oh, this is a new bridge. It wasn't there last time I visited this park last fall. It's always good when people improve the area where they live. So we're much closer to the waterfall. And here it is. Just have a look at it. I hope you can hear the sound of falling water. And we have here another small animal. I guess it's a fox. Hello, Foxy. Say hello from Finland. Hello from Finland. If you know what kind of tree that is, please tell me. Let me know in your comments because I don't know much about trees and you know and things like trees, flowers, plants, and so on. I'll be grateful to you if you tell me what kind of tree that is. We're leaving the park. This is the central marina of Kotka. You see? Let's zoom in a little bit. And we're going to be coming closer. This is the central marina of Kotka. I guess not all boats and yachts are sitting on the water yet because it's sorry. I think it's probably the first real warm day this spring. A beautiful boat. So guys, our walkie-talkie tour is coming to an end, and please write in your comments, did you like it? Did you not like it? Smash that like button or the dislike button. And hello from Finland. Hope to see you here again. And hello from Finland. Behind my back is the central marina of Kotka. So have a nice day, morning, evening, afternoon, depending on what time it is where you live. Bye bye, and thanks so much for watching.